By the end of this video, you're gonna know exactly what you need to be doing when it comes to hashtags on TikTok if you wanna increase your views and increase your followers in May of 2021. You heard that right, the TikTok algorithm just changed and so have the best hashtag strategies that you should be using. If you haven't seen my latest video yet about the TikTok algorithm change, I strongly suggest you check it out after this video, but I didn't mention hashtag strategies in there, so I wanted to create this video for you guys. Because if you're not following the right hashtag strategies when it comes to this May 2021 TikTok algorithm, then guess what? You're gonna see a huge decline in views and a huge decline in followers. Now trust me, I know that you guys do not want to experience that, and so many creators already are experiencing that. Some of you watching this video right now might be experiencing that, or you're getting more views, you're getting more followers, and you want to be able to maintain that. So please, make sure you stick around for the end of this video, because if you do, I promise you, you're gonna see results like a lot of my students have seen. Devin Rodriguez Art gained over 14 million followers using these exact strategies. Krista B. Allen, over 1 million followers using these exact strategies, and Carnival, over 3 million followers using these same strategies that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. That being said, there are so many other people that are seeing huge growth right now. Small creators, big creators, everybody implementing these hashtag strategies. So let's get into them. But before I do that, I did want to introduce myself. My name is Robert Benjamin. I'm the CEO of Helping You Grow on TikTok. I make videos about the TikTok algorithm, how to go viral, the best time to post, the hashtag video like the one that you're watching right now, and so many other videos. So please make sure you smash that subscribe button. I never want you to miss another one of my episodes. In addition to that, please make sure you shoot me a text. My phone number is right here. I want to help you. If you want more views, you want more followers, shoot me a question. Let me know how I can help you. If you have video ideas you want me to do, let me know how I can help you. In addition to that, I answer every single comment that I get on my YouTube videos. So please, if you have a question about anything, or you just want to tell me you like my hair or something funny, leave a comment below. I'm gonna be answering every single one of them. And my final request from you guys, please let me know what you want my next video to be about. Leave a comment below. Whichever comment gets the most thumbs up, I'm gonna make the video about that. So please let me know below. So one of the biggest reasons that you're not using the right hashtag strategies on TikTok right now is because you don't actually understand how TikTok uses hashtags. So TikTok uses hashtags for two reasons. First, to index content. So when you wanna find cat videos, you wanna find pranks, you wanna find videos related to football, you can just type that in. You'll be able to search that. You'll be able to find those videos. In addition to that, TikTok uses hashtags to inform the algorithm as to what type of viewers potentially are gonna wanna see this video. So for example, if you make football content, if you use hashtag football, hashtag Johnny Manziel, hashtag Cleveland Browns, guess what? It's gonna get pushed out to people in Cleveland, it's gonna get pushed out to people that have interacted with stuff with Johnny Manziel, and it's gonna get pushed out to people that have interacted with stuff from football. That being said, if you use the wrong hashtags, well, guess what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen is it's gonna get pushed to the wrong people, they're not gonna watch the video, you're gonna get a low amount of watch time, and then TikTok is not gonna continue to push your stuff out. So please make sure you guys pay close attention to the right hashtag strategies that I'm gonna be sharing with you in just a little bit, because they're going to depend on which kind of post you're doing and what kind of strategy you wanna be implementing. That being said, when it comes to choosing hashtags, essentially there are three different types of hashtags. There are broad hashtags, trending hashtags, and then niche specific hashtags. To give you guys a quick breakdown, niche specific hashtags are specific to whatever you're posting about. If you're posting about football, it's gonna be hashtag football, hashtag NFL, the team name, anything related to that. That being said, if you're posting broad things and a broad video, and a video that a lot of different people, a lot of different creators, or a video that you think TikTok might have a huge audience for, you're going to want to use broad hashtags. Broad hashtags are going to be things like hashtag viral, hashtag FYP, hashtag TikTok, and things like that. Things that are just incredibly broad. And then finally, trending hashtags. Trending hashtags can be found on the Discover page. There's about a dozen of them on the Discover page. There are 3 to 4 new ones every single day. So please make sure you're paying attention to those. Those are what is trending on TikTok right now. Not what was trending yesterday, not what's going to be trending tomorrow, what's trending right now. And it is a great way for you guys to inform what kind of content you should be creating, and it allows you to stay up to date on what's trending on TikTok. This will tell you the best video lengths, the best topics to talk about, and so many other things. So please guys, make sure you're paying attention to these things. So now that you know the different types of hashtags and that there are 4 TikTok hashtag strategies, let's get into some things you guys should not be doing when it comes to hashtags. First, you should never be putting only hashtags in your post. You need a description and then hashtags. Never hashtags and then description. It has to be description and then hashtags. Please do not mess this up. It will impact your ability to get on the For You page. It will impact the amount of views that you get from the TikTok algorithm. Again, you guys need to have a description and then need to have hashtags. If you want to learn about the best description to use and a really good description to use, go check out my algorithm video after you watch this one. I'll even link out to it at the end of this video, because I give away some advice in that video about how you guys should be thinking about your descriptions and what you should be using them for. Secondly, you guys need to make sure that you're not spamming hashtags. You should not be using 10 to 12 hashtags. This isn't Instagram. Do not use a ton of hashtags. Trust me, it is one of the biggest mistakes that you can make when it comes to TikTok. It'll actually decrease the amount of reach that you get. You guys never want to spam hashtags. You never want to use 10 to 12 of them. It is just not going to work. Trust me. And then, like I said earlier, you never want to use hashtags that have too little amount of views. When it comes to choosing hashtags, both on Instagram and on TikTok, you want to use hashtags that have a ton of views under them and a ton of posts under them. Why? Because then it's a stronger signal to the algorithm that this is what this post is about. If you use a hashtag that has no videos under it or a little bit of videos under it, you may say, hey, I'm gonna rank for this, and then one day it might blow up. Trust me, it doesn't work like that. What's gonna happen is if there is a video or a chance that that does blow up, it's gonna blow up because a viral video randomly used that hashtag on it, and your video will not actually rank for that. So please, make sure you're using the top hashtags. You need to be using the ones that are most popular because they're gonna give TikTok the strongest signal as to who they should be pushing your content to. And this is gonna be incredibly important. Guys, please do not make these mistakes. I'm telling you, they are critical. They can totally ruin the amount of growth that you're seeing in May of 2021 and beyond. So now let's get into the 4 hashtag strategies that you guys need to be using right now on TikTok if you want to be successful. If you want to get views, if you want to get followers, if you want to go viral, then listen up, get out your notepad, because I'm about to give you guys the best TikTok hashtag strategies to get a ton of views, ton of followers, and to go viral. Now, the first TikTok hashtag strategy is actually use no hashtags at all. Now, this might sound crazy. Rob, why do you want me to use no hashtags? I want you to use no hashtags to prove to you that hashtags really do not matter that much. Now, I'm not saying they don't matter at all. I'm just saying that way too many creators will look at the hashtags that they use and put that above what kind of content they're creating, the watch time they're getting, the amount of people viewing their content 100% of the way through, and what topic they're even choosing. You guys need to note that hashtags are just an add-on to a really good video topic, and a really good piece of creative. If you're not writing the right description, getting people to follow you in your posts, getting a lot of watch time on your videos, hashtags are not going to change the game for you. So please, get used to using no hashtags. If you're posting 4 times a day, I want you guys to use these strategies, at least one of them on each post. If you're posting more than that, do the same thing. If you're posting 6 times a day, go through the strategies, use 4 of them. Whichever 2 strategies perform the best, reuse those again for posts 5 and 6. That's how you guys should be thinking about how to use these hashtag strategies. The second strategy that I want you guys to start implementing is going to be 1 trending hashtag, 1 broad hashtag, 1 niche specific hashtag. Now again, you want to use the top trending hashtag, you want to use the top broad hashtag, and then you want to use the top niche specific hashtag. Please make sure that you're using the top hashtags, because if you're not, you're going to be missing out on extra views and you're going to be missing out on being able to expand your audience. The reason you want to use trending hashtags and broad hashtags is because they will expand the audience that your TikToks are being shown to. For example, if you use hashtag FYP, hashtag football, then guess what? If somebody watches that video, they watch the whole entire video, that person that was in hashtag FYP only and never got exposed to football content before is now going to be seen as a football audience on TikTok, and guess what? They're going to start to get your future posts, especially if they liked your post, if they commented on your post, or if they watched your post all the way through. The third strategy I recommend you using is 3 niche specific hashtags and then 3 trending hashtags. Now please, make sure that these are not taking up a ton of space. If you're using a really long hashtag, you're going to want to do 2 and 2, but you can do 3 and 3 now. In the past, I recommended 2 and 2. Now you want to use 3 and 3. Make sure the hashtags are smaller in the amount of words that they take, or in the amount of letters that they take up, because you do not want it to look like spam. If it takes up too much space, it's going to look like spam. People are going to swipe away and people are not going to watch your video. Please take this into consideration, the aesthetics of what it actually looks like, and please make sure that your text is not being blocked by your description. It's not halfway off your screen. So many creators are making this mistake when it comes to creating for TikTok. So please make sure that isn't happening to you, because TikTok will suppress videos that have messed up descriptions or messed up where the text is behind the description or anything like that. It will decrease the amount of views that you get. So there you guys have it. If you want to get more views on TikTok, more followers on TikTok, and want to go viral more often, please make sure you use those 4 hashtag strategies, and please make sure you avoid doing all the things that I mentioned earlier in the video. That being said, if you guys want guaranteed growth on TikTok, and I'm guaranteeing that you could grow, you need to get into my mentorship program. I just graduated 80 people from my mentorship program, and on average, they were gaining over 40,000 followers in just 30 days. If you want that kind of growth on TikTok, and you want even more growth, the most amount of followers that anybody has ever gained in the 30 days has been 10 million followers. You guys need to get into my mentorship program. And I get this question all the time, Rob, what's the least amount of followers anybody has ever gained in the mentorship program? 6,500 followers. If you guys want guaranteed growth on TikTok, you need to get into my mentorship program. To learn more, go to the link in the description. To put it simply, I'm gonna be your coach for how to grow on TikTok. Actors have coaches, actresses have coaches, CEOs have coaches, and the top social media influencers have coaches also. I'm going to tell you what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use specifically for your account, specifically for your niche, specifically for your background and your goals of what you're trying to achieve, and I'm gonna guarantee that you grow. Like I said, if you don't grow, you're gonna get your money back, no questions asked, 0 risk in this. If you guys want guaranteed growth, go to the link in the description. I cannot wait to see you in there. If not, I strongly suggest you check out my algorithm video and the other video that YouTube suggested that you watch. Just wait a second and they're gonna pop up on the screen. Thank you so much for watching.